Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MAF Techno Solution. So if you are a beginner to learn on Linux, like beginner level to advanced level, and if you want to learn on DevOps tools, you are in the right place, in the right channel. So in the entire course, we are going to cover about the complete Linux part from basic to advanced level. And once after completing this Linux part, we are going to cover all the DevOps tools. To cover the DevOps tools, the basic requirement is Linux. So that's why we are covering all the basic level to advanced level complete Linux part. So once after completing this Linux course and tutorial, so we're going to cover one by one all the DevOps tools. Okay. So in the last lecture, we already covered these all basic commands, cd commands and mkdir command, okay, pwd command, okay, and to get a host name and server name, how to get the IP addresses, how to get the memory details, okay. So, and how to check the process, okay, what are the process is running. These all commands we already covered. So if you are not aware about all these commands, okay, please go and watch all the videos and go through these all commands. Okay, do yourself practical. Okay, once after completing that, so you can continue the today's session. So in the today's session, we are going to cover about this how to kill the process. Okay, so for that I have prepared the notes. So we will go through all these commands. Okay, so to kill a process, how to kill the process. Okay, so we need to mention the command and option and that PID means process ID. Okay, so we'll see all these commands in practical. Okay, so first command is kill. Okay, kill and option and PID, that is process ID. Okay, how to check the process ID? PS hyphen EF. Okay, before that, what we'll do? We'll run one command, that is sleep command. Sleep for 60 seconds. Hit enter. And now here what I will do, I will check that command. Sleep command. PS grep pipeline grep and sleep. Hit enter. See. So whenever we run a command, so every command it will generate a process ID. Okay. So this sleep command is generated a process ID. Okay. We already saw this in a last lecture. Okay. So this is this sleep command process ID. Okay. What I will do here, so I will kill this process, kill and the process ID, that is 3780. Hit enter. See, whenever I kill that process, as soon as here it's shown that process is terminated. Okay. See, and sleep 60 seconds. Hit enter. Okay. So killing, let's see. So see here, option is for you can provide a signal name or number. In option you can provide. So here I didn't provide any option. You can see here. So I directly kill and that number I provided. So you can provide an option, that is number, and even that is in option you can provide a number of, that is signal name. Okay, how come you will know that which signal? Okay, what? Okay, see here, hyphen kill hyphen here. So it will show all the signals. These are all signals and these are numbers. So always we are going to use a number, that is we always going to use while killing the process, we'll use the numbers. Okay, and we can see in a both way. Again I will run that sleep command, sleep for 60 seconds. So I will scroll up the screen here, Control plus L. Okay, it will scroll up your screen. Okay. So again, I will check the process ps -ef grep -, grep sleep command. Okay. You can see here, it generated the again new ID. So what I will do, I will kill this process with the number -2 and that is process ID. This process ID 3840. So what it will do, -kill -2. What it will do, it will interrupt the process. So whenever I run, as soon as the process is interrupted here. Okay. And okay, next command, process is interrupted. Okay. So to kill a forcefully, okay, we will use -9. Let's see. Okay. Again, I will run here, click for 60 seconds. Here. First, I will check the process ID, -in here, grep sleep command, hit enter. This is my process ID. Okay. Till -9. Okay. And this process ID 3870. This is process ID 3870. Hit enter. See, when I use kill -9, so here it's showing killed, means we forcefully kill that process. Okay. Okay. So what I will do here, I will check system CTL status, that is Apache 2 server. Hit enter. See, my Apache server is running with this process ID. Okay, sorry, this process ID. This is main process ID, and these are other process IDs. Okay, which are related to this process, your Apache 2 server process. Okay, what I will do here, so I will kill this process by name. See here, system CTL, Pkill, and that is my Apache 2 server. Okay, copy this name and paste here. Hit enter. So operation not permitted. Okay, you are not a root user, so you are logging as a MF user, so it's not allowing you to terminate. What I will do, I will switch to root user and give the password. Okay, so here what I will do, again I will run the same command, pkill Apache 2. Hit enter. See, whenever I hit this enter, so now you can check here. Enter. Now you can check here, system CTL status Apache 2. So when I kill the Apache 2 web server with the name, okay, with that server name, we can kill that process with the name also. So when I kill that process, so you can see here, inactive, dead. So previously we checked that server is running, okay, active and running. So whenever I run this pkill and that server name Apache 2, so that process is dead. See, you can see here, inactive and dead. So we can here, we can kill with the name also. Okay, scroll up the screen. Here is the scroll up the screen. Okay, root. Okay, I will switch to root here into it. Okay. Okay. What we will do? See here, one more command I want to show you. So, okay, system CTL status, okay, Apache 2. Hit enter. Okay, what I will do, I will restart the service. System CTL start Apache 2, hit enter. So okay, now check the status, that Apache 2 server is running. Okay, so systemctl status Apache 2. So see here, what I will do here, so I will restart this Apache server. Okay, here -1 to restart the Apache 2 server. So now you can see here Apache 2 server is running with this ID. Okay, copy this ID, copy and paste here and hit enter. And again you can check the service systemctl status Apache 2, hit enter. See here what happened when I restarted Apache server with that process ID. So what happened, that main process IDs remain same. You can see here main process IDs remain same, but that remaining process IDs are changed here. Okay, you can see here the remaining process ID changed. So this means, so whenever we will run with this kill command, kill -1 and that process ID, means we are holding this process ID and restarting the service again. Means that main process ID will be remain same, and the which are related related process ID to this Apache server, these two are changed. You can see here. Okay, when we'll restart, see here, when we'll restart with the systemctl restart Apache 2. So what happens here? Now we can check the status. See here, when I run this command to restart, means that main process ID also it changed. You can see here, previously the main process ID is not changed. The main process ID is not changed. Only these two process ID, related process ID changed. So when I run this systemctl restart Apache 2, so even the main process ID also changed. Okay, so that is the difference between restarting a command with this kill -1 and process ID, and restart a service directly with the server name. So this is the difference between the kill process and restart process. Okay. Okay. So we already saw that how to kill a process with a name. Okay. So here we saw that by name also we can kill the process. So here my Apache server is running here. So I will kill with name, that is Pkill, and that server name, which server you want to keep. Okay, Apache 2. See here, that Apache server is killed, and now you can check systemctl status Apache 2. See here, that service is inactive and dead. So you can kill with the name also. Okay, using Pkill command. I hope this video will be helpful to you. So we'll see the file management in the next tutorial, in the next class. So up to now, do yourself practical all these commands. Okay, and we'll meet in the next class. Okay, good day to everyone. Thank you.